Alright, so today, Alright, so in today's video, I'll be doing another loadout there. This there came from someone, no. Yeah. And yeah, this dude came from someone who commented from a day ago. And that dude is NV Logan. His there is, he's another 3 cat spam loadout. This cat spam loadout includes up acid shotgun. Includes our sparkling horn. And a hero epi. And no tick, and also piercing is a round bumper cat and a cat emote. Strange. And yeah. Just gonna hop into this loadout. And what is wrong with this one? Why is this so much more different? This is my main loadout. How did it take such a big turn? Where's Squid? Squiddo? Where's Sacrificial Altar? That's okay. Dig Pistol or Wyvern Pistol? And then here... Alright, now my loadout is normal. Nice. But YouTube loadouts and acid shotgun. Apparently my best shotgun according to Pixel Gun. And heroic epi, and also the unicorn rainbow gun. Where's no tick? And then here piecing Gaia Raw. And then finally it is the bomber cat. Gonna grab those 2 cat spam weapons. And yeah, just gonna hop into it and see how I do with this cat spam loadout. And yeah. Classic pool. Great cat spam loadouts. Wait, no, not great cat spam loadout, but great smap for cat spam. Wait, there you go. Gonna put them bees. And I also injured my thumb again. So, gameplay yet again shall be a bit worse than before. And yeah, oh dang. Bruh. Why is my computer out of battery? Bruh. Okay. Yeah, after this game, I gotta charge my laptop. Sad. Yeah. Pew. A bat. Freak. But yeah, this is a good cat spam. One of like the most common cat spam loadouts I've seen like ever, since all of these weapons are really, most of them are overrated cat spam weapons. And why is the electric piano playing? It's not even plugged in. Huh. Oh well. What? Oh, I was wondering why didn't those mines explode when I walked above them. And I just realized those are my teammate's mines, since he also didn't explode, so it's... Oh my god! There you go. Kapow. Hey, double kill. And yeah, this cat spam, most of these weapons here has no input, no output, and no fixed delay, except for 2, I think. And I think this one has input and output delay. And also, I think the this weapon has, yeah, the piercing gaze of Ra has output delay. So yeah. Again, why is a electric piano playing? It's not even plugged in. Or maybe it is plugged in, just did not see it. Not gonna walk to there, too far. Yo, he got the Rubik's Cube head. Yo, but does he have the OX bad code? Because OX bad code is one of the worst weapons, and you can only get it through campaign. Since he got the cube head, he finished campaign. But did he finish in time? Well, I certainly did. Well, not on this account, but I got OX bad code on my other account, and it is absolutely dog. Yeah. Okay, gonna put some bees. He's dead. Don't know how that's a rock jump kill, but alrighty. Gonna kill you real quick. I just realized I never used my shotgun. Don't know why. And There you go. A bam, bam, bam. Alright. But yeah, in this loadout, you can just randomly cat spam through all your weapons here. And yeah. I should probably turn it off since it might have some copyright things. I got a furry. I'm a furry. Wait, no, fury. Yo. Bro, all I can do is spam with this. Very manly scream. 27 kills. I would take that all day, every day. Nice. But now I'm gonna charge my laptop real quick. Come on. Come on. Phones. Okay. It's alright now. I'm gonna turn off the piano while I'm at it. Shh. Hush. 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 Hush, little puppy. Okay. But yeah, now I'm hopping to another. Oh, frick. Oh, come on, a screw fell. And screw that. But yeah, can I use this in tournaments? I can, but I'm not. Should I try it on free play? Nah. Deathmatch it is. Ow. I should probably screw back the screw in, but too much work. Die. Hey. It's a bam. I miss old Pixel Gun where it's just mostly casuals, and there's like 1 out of 20 players which are actual cat spammers, but now it's the opposite. 1 in 20 are casuals, excluding bots, which is the opposite of including. And if you're stupid, excluding is the opposite of, or the antonym of including. So yeah. And yeah, excluding some bots, it will be 1 out of 20 players shall be some casuals. Very rare to see nowadays. There you go. Pow. Actually, no, there might be just heavy spammers which are more common, but I'm gonna reload this jingamaming. And a pow. Okay. Oh, I need ammo. Here, ammo. Oh, you're dead. Triple musket. Oh, I'm dead. Yep. Oh, ammo. Not a good time. Oh, is that is that penetrator? Wait, no. Wait, what's the weapon name? Penalizer? Oh, it's a crafts. It's a mythical lottery weapon. Dang it. But yeah, is that baiter something? Yeah, what is that? Oh, is that a State Defender? Oh, that is State Defender. Okay. Alright. Pew, pew, pew. Ah! Come on, Poison. Kill him. I know you can do this. Come here. Hey, let's go. That's a dead man. He has been reduced to atoms. There is someone behind that. He is dead. I'm gonna try and casual with this loadout. Yeah. Super OP jump. Super OP parkour skills. Ah! Parkour skills. Yeah. Get some kills with this. Get some kills with this. There we go. Yeah. Bruh. There you go. Die. There. Gonna reload my acid and shoot them out. And again reload. Gonna pick up them shields and HP. I need shield and HP. Spamming with a cat spam loadout. Wait. I didn't pick up the shield. Holy cow, that is a power fist deer. Oh wait, no, I'm supposed to spam with this. Wait, how am I not first? Bro, 41 kills? Hell nah. But yeah, he got 41 kills, 42 kills, and I got 23 kills. Not the worst, but yeah. Not bad, this loadout. It's a very commonly seen cast spam loadout, but I don't really see patient gaze abroad that much, but it is pretty good. I do not see many people using this and that. Those are really good, and hence, here's my cat spam loadouts. They're all made out of underrated cat spam weapon, except for this, and except for that. But yeah. This loadout, I'm gonna rate it out of 10, shall be a 9 out of 10. The main reason is because it's way too overrated and my computer went... Okay. But yeah, 9 out of 10. If you guys have any more dares, just comment down below and I have a high chance of doing them. And I'll also grab that in today's video. And next video shall be the Cloying Eliminator. And yeah, that's about it for today's video, and hope you have a great day.